Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to use SolidWorks to make this part, and this is chapter 2, tutorial 3. So let's go back to SolidWorks and create a new part, and say a new part, and say OK. And before you start, make sure the units here is millimeters. If it's not, then change it to millimeters also, and say. So let's make the sketch on this. So I would make it on the front plane. So let's go to a sketch and click sketch and select the front plane. And I'm going to make this point, the circle, the center of the circle as my origin. And I'm gonna make the two circles and draw the contour of the part. So I'm going to go back here and select a circle, one circle and another one here, and draw two lines. So make sure it recognizes the quarter spot so you don't have to add the relations later. And also make sure it's straight. Make sure the vertical relation is showing up so you don't have to add it later, and hit escape so you can get out of the line. And do the same thing. Make sure quarter spot is showing up, and go down a little bit, and you can screw the mouse, the wheel, and make the part bigger and smaller. So I would put it here, and I'm going to draw on this side. Make sure the horizontal is showing up as well, and make sure they are connected to the other side. So as you can see, the dash line is showing up, so I don't need to trim it later. And go down, and go a little bit down, and go up, and make sure it's recognized as well, the horizontal, and connect the part. And this is the ship. And now let's give a dimensions. So it's 30 as the radius. So R means radius, and phi means diameter. So the diameter of the inside the circle is 30, and the radius of the outer circle is 30, which means the radius, the diameter of the outside circle is 30 times 2 is 60 as well. So let's go here and go to Smart Dimensions and give a dimension for the part. And like we said, the inside circle is going to be 30, and the outer one, the radius is 30, so it shows the diameter here. So the radius is 30, then diameter is going to be 30 times 2, which is 60. And put the dimensions here. And let's go back and take a look one more. So the height from the center to the bottom is 40. So select the center and the bottom line here, and give a length of 40. And go back here. So the height from here to the bottom is 20. So from this line to this line is supposed to be 20. And the overall length is 150. So select this line here and give a dimension 150. So as you can see, the shape is changed a little bit. So if this happens, I'm going to go out of a smart dimension. Since they are all blue, so I can still drag them around. Okay, so I can drag whatever dimensions around because they are still blue. And so let's save the work periodically in case we lose them. So we are going to go to File and save the work, and save it as Chapter 2, Tutorial 3, and save the part. And let's go back, look at the dimensions. So this line is 35, this line is 25. So go to Smart Dimension, give this line as 35, and give this line as 25. And the height is going to be 15 and 20. So let's go back here. So give the dimension from here to here is going to be 15. And this line, so this line, if you look at the original picture, they are supposed to be collinear. Okay, those two lines are supposed to be collinear. So let's add a relation to make those two as collinear. So I'm going to go to add relations. So the drop down button here and add a relation and select those two lines and see they are collinear. So now everything is black, it's fully defined. So let's save the work. So this minus sign will go away. This traffic light it will go away as well because it's fully defined. And now we are going to trim off the extra circle here. So let's go to trim entities and select the last one here and select this part, trim entities, and accept the change. So everything is fully defined, everything is black, and it says fully defined here. So let's save the work. And now we are going to extrude the part so we get this part. So when we extrude, let's extrude it as as 60 length. So let's go to features and extrude, and this is the sketch, and give length as 60, and instead of a blind, so it goes to one direction only. I'm going to select the middle plane so it goes to 30 on both sides and accept the change. And now I'm going to make it bigger to the view, so give it a good view and save the work. And this is what we have for Chapter 2, Tutorial 3. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.